This beautiful TV that you see in front of you is a 75-inch Philips TV. The model is PUL6643. I've been using this TV since about 2 months now, and I found the best settings to get the best image quality from this TV. So I wanted to give you a review because I really find the experience of using this TV and most importantly the picture quality of this TV are both excellent. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the specifications of this TV. I'm gonna show you the ports, and also I'm gonna be showing you what are the settings that I've put to get the best picture quality in my opinion for this TV. Of course, when you see the settings that I've put, give me your opinion if you like them or if you prefer other settings. Don't hesitate to leave your comments in the comments section below. What I'll also be covering in this video is the gaming mode. So you see here I have a Nintendo Switch. It is connected to the TV. So I'm gonna show you how it will switch automatically to gaming mode and what are the settings in gaming mode on the TV. So let's start first by the specifications. The screen resolution of the TV is 4K. It has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. It also has a mode called 120 PMR, which is perfect motion rate. So it can simulate 120 Hz when it goes into gaming mode. And also the back panel of this TV has direct lighting, so it is LED direct lighting. The panel is LCD VA. It has a viewing angle of 178 degrees horizontally and also vertically. It has a response time of 6.5 milliseconds, which makes it perfect for gaming. And it has HDR10, HLG, and dynamic contrast. It has 4000:1 contrast ratio. And for the sound of the TV, it has 2 speakers that are 10 watts each. It has a stereo sound and Dolby audio. So now let's go and see the ports of this TV. On the left side of the TV, you have all these ports here. So you have 2 USB 2.0 ports and you have 4 HDMI inputs, and all the HDMI inputs support 4K 60 Hz. And the first one is HDMI eARC. And on the bottom here, you have a reset button. On the bottom of the TV, you have these ports. So this is here the RF input. I already connected my antenna. The receiver is ATSC and NTSC. This here is the 3.5mm headphone jack, and I also connected my speakers here. This is video composite input here, and this one here is a digital output audio, and this one here is a LAN input. For the remote control, it's a simple remote control without a voice command. I would have liked it if it had a voice command. So these are the volumes on the side, and these are all the buttons that you find on the remote control. Before showing you the best settings of this TV, I wanted to show you the colors uniformity, including the black. The black is very important on direct LED TVs because some TV sets has like clouding effects, but you're gonna see that this Philips TV doesn't have any clouding effect. And this is a very big achievement for a direct LED TV, especially at this price point. So I'm gonna play a video that I developed specially for this. So this here is a black screen, and you see there is no clouding at all, and this is really very good. And on the white screen also here, you don't see any dirty effect, and this is a very big achievement also. And on the gray screen also the picture is really very good. And you see on the screen there is no blooming effect at all, and the black isn't bleeding on the white, and vice versa also. You see here the background is black and the square is white, and there is like no blooming effect at all. Let's see now the base colors. The red is really a vivid red, and don't forget here that you're looking at the screen of the TV through the lens of my camera, and it cannot reproduce 100% like the screen of the TV. When you see it in your naked eye, it's much better. And these are the other basic colors. And these are all the colors together, and you see that it is really, really very good. So now let's go and show you how to get the best picture quality on this TV. What I want to show you now are the best image settings that I found for this TV. And of course, please give me your opinion in the comment section below if you like these settings or if you prefer other settings. So press on the star on your remote control to go to picture settings. So here, go to picture settings. And the first thing that for TV brightness, I put it on darker. And for picture mode, I put it on movie. And I went to customize picture. And here backlight, I dropped it from 100 to 65. And for the brightness, I went down to 48. Contrast, I left it as it is. For sharpness, I brought it down from 20 to 10. Color and tint, I didn't touch them. And picture size, I left it on auto. And then under expert settings, micro contrast, I put it on high. So this is to adjust the details in the picture, and it really makes a difference. Dynamic contrast, also I put it on high. Gamma, I didn't touch it. Noise reduction, I turned it off. And for the color temperature, I put it on warm. And for the color space here, I didn't touch it. I kept it on auto. Let me now show you some of the settings that are better for some types of programming. So like the sports, if you want to watch sports, go to picture settings. And here under picture settings, under picture mode, choose sports. So this will make also like the picture more fluid, and this will also emphasize the colors a little bit more. And you see here that it adjusts everything under picture once you choose a preset mode. So if you go to customize picture, it turned on the backlight to 100%, sharpness, it put it at 55, so that you see, like for instance, the ball better if you're watching sports. So I'm gonna put it back on movie settings here like I put it. And by the way, if you want to adjust the settings for all the inputs, go to customize picture after you adjust whatever you like, and here go and choose apply setting to all input, and it will apply the settings to all the inputs. So now I'm gonna show you the gaming mode. Just before turning on the Nintendo Switch to show you the game mode, I wanted to show you here how this TV recognizes also the devices that are connected to it. See here how it renamed directly the HDMI input Nintendo Switch. So let's turn on the Nintendo Switch after we select this input here, and you're gonna see how the TV will switch automatically to gaming mode. And you notice how the TV switched to gaming mode here. So here select OK simply, and let me show you a little bit in the gaming mode what are the settings. So go to picture settings once again and customize picture. And you notice here that the game mode is on. So when gaming mode is on, it means that it enables PMR 120, so that to avoid the jittering, and it will give you like 120 Hertz also refresh rate. And these are the expert settings, how they change. So it turns off some settings here. It turned off micro contrast, dynamic contrast also, and all this sort of stuff. But I also wanted to show you that if for any reason the TV don't go directly to game mode, you go to picture settings here and then customize picture, and then you can enable game mode here. So simply if it was off, go to on, and you can enable it here. So that was everything about game mode. Now I'm gonna perform the sound test for you to hear the speakers of this TV, how they sound. The speakers of this TV sound okay. I'm gonna show you the best setting that I found for the sound if you're using the internal speakers of the TV. So go to sound settings, and here I chose big bass, and I found this to be the best setting for the internal speakers of the TV. So let's perform the sound test now.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up?
Let me tell you now what I like and what I don't like in this TV. The first thing that I like about it is that it has an excellent image quality, and it is an incredible value. Also, I like the fact that its specifications are really very good. So it has HDR10, HLG, PMR 120, and so on. And I also like the fact that it has gaming mode, and you can adjust the picture to your liking. Now, what I don't like about it too much is the sound that it produces, but this is true for all flat TVs almost these days. And also what I don't like about it is that it doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity, but it has a headphones out jack, and I connected my edifier speakers to it, and I'm very happy with it. So I highly recommend this Philips TV, and I'm very happy with my purchase. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. This will really support the channel. If you want to take it a notch further, you can also join my channel as a member. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.